we are discussing law of various factors, but why we study the relationship between only the quantity demanded and price? किस लिए करते हैं? Yes, why we measure the change in demand with respect to price and not with respect to other thing. Why the law of demand stays like that? Because while discussing or while proving right correlation between two variables, we have to keep other variables as constant or negligent impact on that variable or that dependent variable, right? So here the dependent variable we have assumed that it's demand, right? That means demand is dependent on the price. That's why demand is dependent variable and price is independent variable. If अगर हम प्राइस के अलावा बाकी सारी फैक्टर्स को भी अगर हम इंक्लूड करते तो क्या होता, राइट? वी विल डिस्कस दैट. सो कल शायद मैंने डायरेक्ट प्राइस इलास्टिसिटी स्टार्ट कर दिया, सो ओके, नो वरीज. सो जब आपकी डिमांड हम डिस्कस करते हैं, वी हैव केप्ट अदर थिंग्स एज कांस्टेंट सो दैट वी कैन गेट अ स्ट्रेट लाइन, right? Straight line that is downward sloping demand curve, right? When price increases, demand decreases and vice versa. So now we have understood that to prove any economic law or theory, we can do it only when there are only two variables, right? Left hand side may independent dependent variable and right hand side may your dependent variable, right? Only then we can prove that when there is a change in the independent variable, the dependent variable changes accordingly, maybe in a positive relation or as a inverse relation, right? So is there any way when law of demand doesn't work? Law of demand क्या बोलते हैं? When price increases, demand decreases, and when price decreases, demand increases, right? हर चीज में हम लोग देख सकते हैं, होता ही है ये. So is there any product when price increases? Yes, कौन से ऐसे
Yes,
चीज
ma'am.
है? हाँ बताओ एग्जाम्पल.
Medicines.
Medicines, right? So medicines is like an emergency. So even when there is some change in price, right? Maybe there is a huge change in the price of for example cancer medicine में बहुत high price हो गया, right? Increase होगी price. Even after that people will still buy because that's an emergency, right? And there are some other products like giffen boot बोलते हैं, right? Giffen actually कोई product का नाम नहीं होता है. The person who have given the term, right? That Robert Giffen. So what is Giffen good? So there are some inferior good, right? So जिसका प्राइस बहुत ही सस्ता है, like माचिस का डब्बा, right? और needle, right? Needle,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes, yes, बताइए.
मैम सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट यू मैम, बट आपकी वॉइस बहुत लैग हो रही है, पहले तो आ ही नहीं रही थी मैम.
ओह, तो ऐसी वाली प्रॉब्लम होना प्लीज बता दिया करो.
नहीं मैम, मैंने रिज्वाइन भी किया अभी, एक
ओके,
सेकंड पहले किया और उसके बाद फिर रिज्वाइन किया.
ठीक है. एक्चुअली ना बिकॉज ऑफ माई कोल्ड मेरा वॉइस थोड़ा सा ये भी हो सकता है. All right. So we were discussing that we have previously discussed so far that what is law of demand, right? What are the conditions to uh, prove that law demand and price, the relation between demand and price, right? To prove the relationship between, we have kept or we have assumed that all the other factors determining demand is constant, right? Income of the consumer constant, price of related good, that is substitute and complementary good, we have kept it as constant, right? Then other factors like advertisement or maybe taste and preference, right? Government policies or maybe social pressure, peer pressure, social status. So we have kept all the other factors as constant, right? Now if there is any change in price, so we can directly change the effect of price on the quantity demanded. Only then we will get a straight line. Otherwise तो बहुत सारे line आ जाएंगे, right? Or people will prefer to shift to some other product. क्यों उसी प्रोडक्ट में रहेंगे? अगर हम कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री गुड दिखाते हैं या फिर सब्स्टिट्यूट गुड दिखाएंगे, सो डिमांड कर्व विल शिफ्ट टू अपवर्ड एंड डाउनवर्ड. वो स्ट्रेट लाइन में मूव नहीं करेंगे. So there are some condition where law of demand doesn't work, right? Those products are, जैसे किसी ने बोला, I think विदेशन ने बोला कि medicines, right? So products like emergency, right? Emergency like medicine, right? Even when price increases, their demand doesn't decrease, right? Because that's emergency, right? Medicine, life-saving medicine, like cancer medicine, right? जब जैसे अभी कोरोना का प्राइस अगर इंक्रीज भी हो जाएगा, राइट? अभी जैसे उस दिन आदर पूनावाला ऑफ आदर पूनावाला यहाँ सीरम इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंडिया के जो ओनर है, सो ही वाज सेइंग दैट द प्राइस ऑफ ए कोरोना वैक्सीन माइट बी as high as 500 rupees, right? Even after that, even जो गरीब लोग हैं, maybe they cannot afford a vaccine of 500 rupees, but still they have to buy it, right? Because that's a life-saving drugs, right? Life-saving medicine. So in such condition like in cancer medicine or like अभी जैसे कोरोना का वैक्सीन आ जाएगा, अगर हाई प्राइस भी होगी, still demand will increase, right? Then there are other products like जैसे हमने बोला गिफन गुड बोलते हैं, जैसे जिन्होंने भी कॉमर्स में पढ़ा होगा व्हाट इज डिमांड एंड एक्सेप्शन टू लॉ ऑफ डिमांड. सो वेयर देयर इज ए एक्सेप्शन, सो गिफन, राइट? एक्चुअली गिफन हम क्यों बोलते हैं? सो द इन्फीरियर गुड, सो रॉबर्ट गिफन हैज प्रूव्ड दैट लॉ ऑफ डिमांड डजंट वर्क इन सम ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट, राइट? लाइक सम इन्फीरियर प्रोडक्ट, एक नीडल, राइट? नीडल हो गया, सेफ्टी पिन हो गया, मैच बॉक्स हो गया, जिसका प्राइस बहुत ही कम है, और मे बी कोई सस्ता ग्रेन्स हो गया, राइट? सो उस सब में क्या होता है, जैसे पहले हम लोग ज्वार का ये बोलते थे, एग्जांपल देते थे, जो ज्वार जो बहुत ही सस्ता एक ग्रेन है, बट उन सब चीज में क्या होता है कि बहुत जो सस्ता प्राइस है नीडल का, मे बी 1 रुपए होंगे एक नीडल का, राइट? सो अगर 2 रुपए भी हो जाएंगे या फिर 1.5 रुपए हो जाएगा उस नीडल का, बट स्टिल demand will increase, so demand will not change, right? अगर प्राइस इंक्रीज भी होगी एक मैच बॉक्स का और एक सेफ्टी पिन का 50 पैसे की है, या फिर 1 रुपए का एक चीज में प्राइस कितना बढ़, 100% तो डेफिनेटली नहीं बढ़ सकता है, अगर 50% भी बढ़ता है, राइट? दैट इज 1.5 रुपए का हो गया, even then price demand will not decrease, right? That's called inferior good, the price of very low price, the product of very low price or inferior quality का inferior good हो, so उनको रॉबर्ट गिफन ने टर्म दिया था, right? Inferior good doesn't work law of demand, so that's why it is also known as Giffen good or inferior good. There are another term that is Veblen good. So Veblen good क्या है? अब Veblen भी कोई प्रोडक्ट का नाम नहीं है. So Thorsten Veblen, so he was an economist, so who has said that law of demand doesn't work in some other products also, like some luxury item like diamond, right? Diamond का प्राइस अगर बढ़ भी जाता है, इवन उनका जो डिमांड है, राइट, वो इतना कम नहीं होता है, बिकॉज जो रिच पीपल है, द पीपल हु आर वेरी रिच, हु कैन अफोर्ड, देखो प्राइस अगर कम भी होता है, ऐसा तो नहीं है कितना कम होगा, अगर एक 2 लाख का या फिर 50 लाख का एक डायमंड है, हम लोग कोई नहीं खरीद सकता, ओनली द customer for such luxury product is constant, right? So price luxury products wealthy or rich section of the society, so there also demand, law of demand doesn't work, right? So other than that, what are the other exception to law of demand, like future change in price? So many a time what happened, like अगर प्राइस बढ़ रहा है आलू प्याज का, राइट? सो हम क्या करते हैं कि हमें लगता है कि ओके फिर शायद फिर से बढ़ेगा, राइट? एक इलेक्शन आ रही है, मे बी फिर से बढ़ेगा, या फिर ये हो रहा है, क्या बोलते हैं, मे बी फ्लड हो रही है, बहुत रेन हो रहा है, फ्लड होने वाला है. सो व्हाट पीपल हैव द टेंडेंसी दैट यस price is increasing, price of some basic necessity or the household goods they are increasing, so further और increase होगा. चलो इससे अच्छा हम stock up कर लेते हैं before the price increases further, right? So future expectation of price changes की वजह से when uh, people's demand is not changing accordingly, right? Price increase हो रहा है but still demand is not decreasing. Why? Because people are thinking that जैसे अभी gold का ही जैसे gold price is increasing but now the investment in gold has increased, right? So people now are investing more in gold, right? Why? Because people have this expectation of future change in price, right? They are thinking that gold price will further increase, and if it will increase, then if अगर हम अभी इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, अभी अगर मैं गोल्ड में इन्वेस्ट करती हूँ, so future में it will give me higher return, right? So with that expectation, so people still have a higher demand in buying gold or investing in gold even after an increase in price, right? यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, increase in price के बाद भी demand is still increasing because of future expectation, right? future का expect करके जो डिमांड हम कर रहे हैं उसको बोलते हैं फ्यूचर एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ चेंज इन प्राइस. देन अदर देन दैट और क्या एग्जांपल हो सकती है, लाइक सम नेसेसिटीज हमने डिस्कस किया, नेसेसिटीज ऑफ लाइफ, राइट? अगर आज फॉर एग्जांपल कोई बेसिक नेसेसिटी अगर आप है, राइट, लाइक सॉल्ट, राइट, और सुगर और व्हीट, आटा, so these are basic necessities of life, or maybe electricity, right? Even if the price increases, you still have to consume those products, right? That is basic necessity. So price agar increase bhi hoga, the demand of that product will not decrease, right? Then some ignorance, maybe people are not aware of it that फ्यूचर में कोई प्राइस चेंज होगा या प्राइस चेंज हो रही है, इंक्रीज या डिक्रीज हो रहा है. सो बिकॉज ऑफ सम इग्नोरेंस ऑल्सो the law of demand doesn't work. Okay, so I have opened this whiteboard. So अगर अगर किसी एक रीजन हम अगर है कि तो what will happen? एक मिनट, I'm using this whiteboard. क्यों है, एक मिनट. हाँ, ओके, आ गया आ गया आ गया. मेरा जो स्टाइलस है वो ही काम नहीं कर रहा. रुको रुको रुको. ओके, आ गया. ओके, उल्टा हो रहा है. जस्ट अ मिनट. हाँ, जस्ट गिव मी फ्यू मोमेंट्स. So you are aware now today that I will be taking 2 hours of class today. मैं अंजलि मैम का भी जो क्लास है वो भी मैं ही लूंगी.
मैम
ये क्या हो रहा है, ऊपर करती तो नीचे ड्रॉ हो रही है. जस्ट अ मिनट. जस्ट गिव मी 2 मिनट्स. ओके, मैं जब चेक कर रही हूँ तो हो क्या रहा है. ये नहीं कर सकते इससे, सॉरी। एक बार लगता है कि आई हैव बिकम एक्सपर्ट. Okay, but still I will draw from my cursor. So if we consider that other things not remaining change, right? So जैसे हमने अभी law of demand discuss करने के time पे what we have considered that all the other determinants like price of related commodities, that is substitute and complementary good, advertisement, taste and preference, all has remained same, right? Only then we have said that when price changes, demand increases and decreases. अगर प्राइस यहाँ पे P है, राइट, P से अगर P1 से अगर चेंज होके P2 हो गया, राइट, मैं इतना नहीं लिखूंगी, छोड़ो, P2 हो गई और P3 तक डिक्रीज हो गया, that means demand will increase, right? So demand will increase or decrease, so we will get a straight line like this, right? So we have got a straight line like this. So now if there is no change in price, it means there is no any decrease in price or increase in price, but price of related good changes or price of advertisement changes, right? So what will happen? For example, there are two products, right? So जैसे अभी if we are discussing about the demand of Pepsi, right? Now if the price of Coca-Cola, Pepsi or Coke है, so if price of Coke decreases, right? Pepsi का price decrease नहीं हुआ है, Coke का price decrease हुआ है, right? So the demand of Pepsi will decrease. So प्राइस में तो कुछ चेंज नहीं हुआ है, अगर प्राइस में नहीं चेंज हुआ है, so that means we cannot show it in the demand curve, so the demand will shift downward like this. Okay, so demand जो है it will change downward. Similarly, right, if other factor changes, so what will happen? It will shift downward. Similarly, for example, price में कोई change नहीं है, but advertisement में change हो गया. So now a big Bollywood celebrity is endorsing the product and demand has suddenly increased, right? Price में कोई change नहीं हुआ है, right? Price में there is no change, but there is a change in demand. So how it happened? So if such change in demand happen, then it will shift upward, right? जैसे demand has increased, but not because of change in price, but change in other factors. Okay, got it? समझ में आ रहा है? So why? That's why we keep or we assume the other factors, determinants of other factor, determining factor of other variables or other factors, we have kept it constant so that we can measure the change in price with demand, right? अगर हम other factors को constant नहीं रखते हैं, so our demand curve, whenever there is a increase or decrease in the demand, it will be shifting upward and downward. Okay, got it? Now let's come to our elasticity of demand. चलो इसमें भी मैं इसमें ही सिखा देती हूँ. Okay, so we discussed yesterday what is elasticity of demand, right? So what is elasticity of demand? That is the degree of responsiveness of a change in demand with respect to change in price, right? That means how much change in price will impact in the change in demand, right? Just say we know that price, if price increases, demand decreases. When price decreases, demand increases. But how much, right? How much we have to measure it, right? कब होगा, क्या कितना होगा? So because of that, so we have to understand what is elasticity of demand, right? So elasticity, that means degree of responsiveness. जैसे हमने कल example दिया था कि while we play with the gulal, right? So when we pull it downside, right, downward, when we pull it downward, so with that stone or pebble, when we pull it downward, so the amount or the tendency that we pull it downward, so उतना ही दूर वो जाता है, right, उतना ही दूर वो पत्थर या फिर जो आपका पेबल है, so it will throw, you can throw that pebble to a far distance only when you can pull it more towards you, right. So same thing happens in the demand, ki in some product, right, when the price changes a very little but demand changes a high, right, increase or decrease, or in some product we can say that when there is a minor change in the price, so there is a change in demand होता है. जैसे कल हमने एग्जांपल दिया था उबर का, right. So what happened in Uber? So in Uber during morning time or that office hour जो है morning के या फिर evening के, there is a surge price, right. Price charges from, जैसे मेरा regularly from Southex to Bharati Vidyapeeth, I used to pay 210 and 215 220, right. Mostly my payment or my fare from Southex to Pachim Bihar used to be 220, right. So during in the morning time, right, especially during some festivals like Diwali or Dashera or any festivals, right, while there is a less number on the road, so there is shortage, right, shortage of supply, and in such cases, right, so what they do, they increase the price, they surge the price, right. Why they do so? So इसमें क्या होगा, just people like me who is for whom the change in price doesn't matter. बहुत बार I have traveled to college even at a fare of 500, right, surge price okay 400 500 भी हो जाता है, double the price, right, even that I have traveled because it's my necessity, the change in price doesn't matter to me, right. So in such cases Uber is not facing any losses because they know that they have a loyal customer or a fixed customer who is used to booking Uber car during their office hours, right. Now they have increased the price, and their other motive is if the price increases or if the fare increases, they can attract more and more drivers to come and drive, because when there is a increase in price, there is a increase in supply, right. So more driver will come and drive, right. Although आपका कुछ चेंज हो रहा है, इसलिए आप देख सकते हो कि मॉर्निंग के टाइम पे you can see all throughout white cars with yellow number plate, right, all the commercial vehicle और Uber का कार आप देख सकते हो, because during that time morning time there is a surge price of Uber, so that's why more and more drivers are अपना प्राइस इंक्रीज कर देते हैं, because they know even with an increase in price the demand will not decrease or do not decrease at the same proportion. Yeah, I really miss the actual whiteboard in class. मैं इकोनॉमिक्स जैसे सब्जेक्ट ना बिना व्हाइट बोर्ड के मजा नहीं आता है. मैंने एक्चुअल व्हाइट बोर्ड आई एम टॉकिंग ब्लैक बोर्ड और व्हाइट बोर्ड, because I'm so much used to standing and drawing the diagrams or drawing the tables. मतलब पता नहीं मेरा जो ये कभी लगता है कि I have used to the technology, but फिर भी नहीं कर पाती हूँ कभी कभार. All right. So okay, how this elasticity can be illustrated? Please pardon me, मैं बहुत कोशिश कर रही हूँ so that okay, there is a price P or P1, okay. The P1 was the price and the demand was Q1, right? और भी कोई अमाउंट भी आप दे सकते हो. You can also इस पे कंट्रोल जे भी काम नहीं करता है. I don't know why. Okay, let's study from the PPT only. जैसे एक बार मैंने क्लास में व्हाइट बोर्ड यूज करके मैंने किया था, सो कैमरा से, सो ऐसे अगर मैं बढ़ाऊं तो दिखाई देगा आप लोगों को? समझ में आ रहा था ना दैट डे? आई वाज टीचिंग सर्कुलर फ्लो ऑफ इनकम, आई सपोज. चलो सर डज इट वेरी नाइसली. कल मैं उनको पूछ रही थी हाउ ही डज. सो ही राइट आई थिंक इन हिज टैबलेट. Okay, so we are discussing about Uber, right? So Uber में क्या हो रहा है? There is a change in price. The price increases, but demand has not decreased, right? Demand has not decreased at the same proportion. अगर price has increased to 50%, तो for example, जैसे Uber का जो price था, normal price, it was 200 rupees for a distance of 20 kilometer, right? जैसे मैंने बोला कि साउथ एक्स टू पश्चिम बिहार. So now the price was 200 rupees, and at 200 rupees there is to be 10 people or 20 people is to take Uber ride during the morning hours, right? So price increases to 50%. Now people who we are paying 200 rupees for a distance of 20 kilometers, they are now paying as much as 400 rupees, right? Now the demand will decrease definitely. जैसे कुछ लोग होंगे जो 200 से 400 रुपए देने के लिए अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते. दे मे टेक ऑटो और मेट्रो, राइट? सो यस, डिमांड विल डिक्रीज, बट जो 20 पीपल यूज टू टेक 10 अगर हो जाते हैं, दैट मीन्स 50% डिक्रीज, राइट? इफ द चेंज इन द प्राइस, इफ द इंक्रीज इन द प्राइस, 50% increase in the price, and here 20 people used to take the Uber ride, and now 18 people, दो बंदे हैं जो बोल रहे हैं कि नहीं, मेट्रो में जाऊंगी, ऑटो में जाऊंगी, आई कैन नॉट पे डबल द रेट for going to my office, right? And for some people, no, we cannot take a chance, metro it takes lots of time, okay, we are traveling by Uber only. So what happened? The change in price is 50%, but the decrease in demand is only 20%, right? So here we can say that the change in the price, right, is more, right? And the demand of the quantity demanded is less. That means the increase in the price, is more, and the decrease in the demand is less. So that means it is less elastic, or relatively less elastic. When it will happen? When we use that formula, that is percentage change in quantity demanded by percentage change in price. So in this formula, so we said that, so when there is when the change in and the change in price is less, the result will always be, चलो मैं व्हाइट बोर्ड यूज ही कर लेती हूँ, मेरे से नहीं होता है. Okay, so what is elasticity of demand? How we can explain elasticity of demand, or price elasticity of demand? What is the formula? Percentage change in quantity demanded, right? Percentage change in quantity demanded with respect to percentage change in price. Right? This is the formula, or we can write as change in price, right? Change in price आप कैसे निकालोगे? That means Q2 if the price was Q2 and the new price is Q1, right? Percentage change in क्या हो गया? minus P1 divided by P1, right? So here we can write as P change in price and change in P delta Q by delta P into Q. Okay, this will be the formula of इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड. आई डोंट नो आप लोगों को समझ में आ रहा है या नहीं. मैं व्हाइट बोर्ड को थोड़ा सा और प्रैक्टिस करती हूँ, राइट. अगर आप इसको कैलकुलेट करोगे सो इट विल कम, जैसे आप चेंज इन प्राइस दैट इज डेल्टा क्यू हो जाएगी एंड क्यू विल Q1, और इसमें Q1 भी आप लिख सकते हो, या जैसे यहाँ पे मैंने Q1 लिखा है, राइट. सो इफ वी solve this equation, so we will get this this equation, that is delta Q by delta P into P by Q, अगर इसको आप change करोगे, right. So now we have if we say that the change in quantity demanded, right, so the change in quantity demanded is more and change in price is less, right, then it will be more than elastic, right, or it will be sorry, I know for you also it makes little irritating क्योंकि हो नहीं रहा है. Okay, so now if we say that quantity demanded, the change in quantity demanded is much higher than the change in the price of the product, that means the result will be more than 1, right, or we can say that it is relatively elastic, right. So elastic or relatively elastic, right, it is relatively elastic, right. So now if the change in quantity demanded, right, it is means is change in, like we have given the example of Uber. So Uber के केस में क्या हो रहा है, there is a 50% of increase in the price, but the decrease in demand is only 20%, right. That means in such condition the producer would like to increase the price, because even while they have increased the price, the quantity demand is not decreasing at the same proportion or accordingly, right. So now the producer can, or the business owners can earn more revenue, more profit by increasing the price. So in such condition, that means the elasticity of demand is less than 1, right. That means जो आपका change in price है, it is more, the change in price is more than the change in demand, right. It is more, the change in price is more, जैसे हमने अभी बोला कि 50% change हुआ है, right. There is a increase in the price by 50%, right, but we said that the decrease in the quantity demanded is only 20%, right. So that means here we can say that it is less than elastic or inelastic or relatively inelastic, right. Then in some case, right, although real life में नहीं होता है, but in some condition, so it will be equal to 1 or unitary elastic. So when it will happen, so when the quantity change in price is exactly the same as the quantity demanded. That means if there is a change in the price by 20% or increase in the price by 20%, so demand will decrease exactly same by 20%, right? So then it will become 1, exactly 1, right? The result will come by 1. Similarly, in some case, so even if there is some change in price, right? Price is increasing, but there is no change in demand, right? It is same. So here you can say that it is equal. It is equal to 0, right? So that means there is no change in quantity demanded. And in some cases, price is increasing, but there is no change in demand, right? So price is increasing, there is no change in demand. In such case, it will be 0. That means demand में कोई change नहीं हो रहा है. And when there is no change in price, but demand is still increasing or decreasing, in such case, we can say that it is equal to infinity, or it will come as a straight horizontal line. The demand curve or the elasticity will be infinite.
मैम
Okay, yes.
सेकंड वाली क्लास जो है वो इसी में कंटिन्यू होगी या नेक्स्ट वाली में?
अभी मैं क्योंकि शेड्यूल नहीं की, मैं एक्चुअली भूल गई थी, तो आई एम शेड्यूलिंग द क्लास. ओके, तो 10 मिनट में आप उसमें ज्वाइन कर लेना. तो मैं एक बार जो व्हाइट बोर्ड मेरा एप्लीकेशन है उसको भी मैं एक बार ठीक कर लेती हूँ, बिकॉज मुझे ड्रॉ करके बिना नहीं हो पाती है. ओके, सो आई एम डाउनलोडिंग द अटेंडेंस ऑफ दिस क्लास. यू टेक ए शॉर्ट ब्रेक and joining. Okay.
थैंक यू मैम.
Okay, thank you then. I'm scheduling the next class. Exactly 12 बजे join कर लेना आप लोग, ठीक है? So I'm ending this meeting and scheduling the new class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.